It is called Kipchoro Choret. That reminds me of my geography teacher, Mr. David Monique at Anderson's High School. Now, let's now head to Siaya County, where a family in Gembe village is seeking justice after their kin was allegedly shot dead by officers attached to KWS Officers. Bramwell Buire, with details, has been following that story and brings us more.
Gembe village in Siaya County, family and friends are meeting for the burial preparations of one Evans Okoth, a 30-year-old man who allegedly was shot dead by KWS police officers. Overwhelmed by emotions, family members recount how they found their kin dead.
When we went there and found the body lying on the ground, what was obvious was that he was hit with a bullet from behind. The bullet came from the back through to the front part of the neck. And that is obviously what killed him.
According to the deceased family, Evans was in Uyoma to meet a client for his welding job when he was hit by the bullet.
What we know about Evans is that he has had many customers according to his business, welding business. And he has been there so many times. And there are times he takes his welding machine, he goes and lives in Uyoma when he has a lot of work to do there.
The family says the KWS officer who hit him were pursuing illegal hunters in the hills. They say the untimely death of their son has left them stranded and devastated. They are even unable to bury him due to the financial dire straits. They are calling for financial support and thorough investigation for their kins deserve justice.
I'm appealing to the KWS like what is normal is that when they have done it illegally, they have to compensate. You have seen the family, this young family here, and this young home, he set up this home recently. There is obviously a burden that needs to be carried.
Sasa mimi naomba serikali. Ona hii watoto ni bado ndogo sana. Bibi yake pia ni bado ndogo sana. Hao watoto nitalinda namna gani? Natakana ufike mahali usome kila kitu, chakula, nguo, nini. Hiyo baba ya hao watoto ndio natafutia hao chakula na kila kitu.
Siaya County Police Boss Cleti Kemboe has confirmed the incident, saying investigations are underway. Bramwell Buire, KT News.